Welcome back to Civil Builders. I am Engineer Salan. In today's video, we are going to cover another fundamental aspect of Revit, that is creating levels. Levels are essential for creating vertical heights in the project design. So let's get started. To create levels, we need to be in elevation view. So navigate to the elevation view and then choose levels from the toolbar in the architecture tab. Click anywhere in the drawing area and drag toward the right side. To modify this elevation, simply click on the elevation value and type the desired value. Similarly, we can rename our level by click and typing. We can also move our levels to another point by simply clicking and dragging. Each levels we create in Revit represent corresponding floor plan views, which can be seen from the project browser. This makes it easier to navigate between the different levels of the project. To create another floor plan, I use "L" command and repeat the same procedure. Similarly, I can copy these levels. But when we copy our levels, it generates its corresponding floor plan views, but it is not visible in our project browser. To make it visible, we need to go to the View tab, and then from the floor plan, I choose Structural Plan and press OK. Now you see that this floor plan is visible. And color of our level head, that is black, is turned into blue. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on Civil Builders.